Hey YouTube! Hey YouTube! So I'm back at it again with another video. I know I haven't posted in forever, but everybody kept telling me like, come back, and you know, all my fans were waiting. You know, I probably had that one fan, so thanks mom. But I'm finally back recording my videos because I'm back in school and I'm bored. So this video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be basically how I make money in college. Basically why I'm not a broke college student. Yes, of course I have my parents always giving me money, but at the same time I'm never broke on my own. You see what I'm saying? Never broke. Period. Can't be broke. Can't be broke trying to have a life on campus, basically. So I'm gonna just jump right into this video. I'm gonna just start listing things. I wrote it down. I'm gonna just jump right into this video. Okay. So I would recommend as number one. Okay, so let's see. So I have six. I wrote down six. Okay, I wrote down 6 jobs that you guys can do as a college student to make money. And I know, like, as a college student, it's not like you can go work at H&R Block. You can't work at FedEx, basically. You know what I'm saying? You still have to do your classwork. You don't want a hard job. You want an easy job, easy hours, and get paid. Simple. That's all we're trying to do here. We're not trying to be lifting boxes. We're not trying to be doing hard labor. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. So number one, I would say the easiest job by far is to get a job on campus. And by get a job on campus, I mean to get a job on campus. Baby, whether that's working at the rec, whether that's being a CA, that's like a community assistant, or a RA is a resident assistant, depending on which university you go to. At my school, we call it CAs, but that's the same thing as an RA, which I'm pretty sure majority of other schools call it an RA. So basically, like me, as I'm in my dorm, I can get a knock on the door and it's like, CA, open your door, room check. You know, you do 24 hours assistance. If any of your residents have questions, you're the one they go to. Basically, you get no sleep, but you get your housing paid for, and I believe part of your meal plan. All depends on your school. I would be a CA if I could, but I need to get some sleep. Like, CAs don't sleep. Let me just say that. They don't sleep. I know I'm being dramatic, but y'all don't sleep. So anyway, you can be a TA, which is a teacher's assistant. And so basically a teacher's assistant is much easier. But okay, so say you're trying to be a TA for algebra. You obviously have to pass that class and you have to know the professor. I could be wrong, but this is what I've been told at my university. To be a TA, you have to know the professor. They obviously have to like you. And they're usually the one that asks you, like, oh, can you be my TA? Can you grade papers? Because you know this stuff. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to ask somebody that got an F or that got a C to be their TA. What do you think they're running? Like, no. So you actually have to know the subject. You have to be good in it. You have to be cool with your professor. That's why, you know, build those relationships with your professors. I know sometimes, for me, I don't know why, I had no problem with this in high school, but when I got to university, there was like 50,000 people in one class, right? So I was just like, damn, I don't want to talk to my professor alone. Like, what? Am I asking him questions? Like, what? I would ask questions in class, but to go to his office hours, that has always been a thing for me. I don't know if it's because my schedule, it just has been a thing for me. So who's texting me? It's just been a thing for me. So always build that relationship with your professors. There's nothing scary about talking to your professor. I talk to all my professors now. Baby, that was a freshman year habit. But I talk to all my professors now. We're all cool. He knows this is a 4.0 season. I know it's a 4.0 season. Like, got this down. I'm trying to be a TA. That's why. Gotta be nice to our professors now. And then, like, every other on-campus job, look into that. Do that. Easy money right there. So for my next one, obviously, you can get an off-campus job. I know not everybody goes into college with a car, like myself, but you can definitely get an off-campus job. I mean, Usually businesses that are around your campus work with college students. Usually. You could just have that place that has regular people working there, so they don't need to work with college students. But usually the businesses and restaurants around your campus know that students apply there, and so they work with the students, like the student schedule. So that could work off campus if you have a car, if your schedule is, everybody has those gaps in their schedule. So if you have a car, go off campus, make that money. Next one, number three, I would say to start your own tutoring program. What? Okay, so right now, because you're like, what are you talking about, sis? But right now, I have a job through a tutoring program, and it's not affiliated with my school at all. I'm not going to tell y'all because I don't need everybody applying. It's very, very discreet, very secretive. We keep to ourselves. So I go to people's classes, and like, whenever you have class, sometimes I have to wake up at 6 a.m. to run across campus to go present to a class about this tutoring program. And I don't have no problem running to these classes because I get paid to do it. I believe each little, what do they call it? Well, each little presentation, that's what I'm gonna call it. Each little presentation, I get paid $20 to $30 for each one. Mind you, I'm doing like 50 of these drawings, so I didn't get any money. And it's just like, you don't have to make $1,000 a month. Like, we're in college, everything should be paid for. Now, if you're paying for your schooling, this may not be the best thing for you, but it can get you some money. It can get you your next meal, is what I'm saying. It can get you your next meal and maybe an outfit or two and some more pencils or books. That's what I need it for, and I'm cool with that. Don't have to ask my parents for everything. Like, I just like having that little extra, you feel me? Like, I can't be texting my mom every week like, I ran through that 100 you gave me, I need another one. Like, no, that's not what I like to do. So if you start your own tutoring program, because I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing, but if you start your own, I've seen hella people start their own tutoring program and charge people. Now I'm not saying charge people to do, like, don't charge people and do their homework. That's not what I'm gonna use my platform to say, but y'all know what's up. Or I'm not gonna say, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna say that, but if y'all need money or y'all desperate, you feel me? Like, not even, but not on this platform, sis. We're trying to do things legally. Legally. And so, number 4, on campus, is it number 4? Maybe y'all been keeping track. But the next one is to charge scooters. See, I go to a school in the country, in the deepest part of the country, in the woods, baby. In the woods. Like, literally everything. Walmart is 30 minutes out. A real big ass city is 45 minutes out to an hour. So we don't have this luxury. But for all you other beautiful students that go to a university that's basically downtown, everything is made for you guys. You feel me? Like, you drive 10 minutes, you're at your own residence, you're at your own house. I don't have that luxury. So we don't have these scooters here, but if you charge Lime Bikes, and Lime Bikes has it, Lyft has it, and Bird, they're called scooters. I'm pretty sure everybody has ridden one or has seen one. They're usually all in downtown or by universities. So you get these scooters, basically you have to go through the app, you have to create a profile, you have to put your social security. Let me say that here because I was taken aback. I said, why do y'all need my social? But I ended up doing it too. I did it back when I was in Dallas because it's a big city. And let me tell you, for my personality, I would never do it again. No, ma'am. Like I said, we don't lift heavy things. We don't do hard labor. We're not those type of people. Not over here. Not on my team. We're not those type of people. Not yet. Like, it has never gotten that rough for me. I did it because it sounds fun. Like, it's like Pokemon Go, but for finding scooters. But anyway, you create the app. What am I talking about? You download the app that's already created and you put in all that information. In about a couple of days, they'll get back to you. I know Bird gave me free. They gave me free chargers because you need the plug-in to plug into the scooter and plug into the wall and charge it in your house. And Bird gave me them for free. Lime I had to pay. I still need to get that money back because I didn't charge any Lime scooters. Bitch, they were hard to fucking find. Like, it's not a joke. Like, when I heard it, somebody was telling me, yeah, you go pick up scooters, you get paid. I said, I pick up scooters, I get paid. Sounds like something I want to do. But no, these scooters are not just laying around. These scooters be in bushes. They be in trenches. They be on this, like, they be broken. Some are broken. Some are like literally in people's houses. So it'll show up on the map, but it's in somebody's house. Like, who do y'all think I am? I'm not SWAT. I'm not FBI. I'm not the police. I'm not knocking on nobody's door to get no damn scooter, is what I'm trying to say. No, ma'am. No. So this is not for me. But if you're doing it on campus, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little bit more easy. It's probably going to be laid out, you know, nicely around campus. And if you have that personality, and if your car is big enough, baby, don't be trying to do this with no Beetle, with no convertible. You have to have like a truck or SUV, or you're going to get one scooter that night, and your seats are going to be toe up if you try to put it. You feel me? I had to get my mom's SUV, and I don't like driving her. Like, I like driving her SUV, but I'd rather take her other cars that are smaller, you feel me? Like, anyway, so if you want to charge scooters, definitely do that. If you have that mindset that I'm going to be out here for a couple hours to make a couple dollars, then go ahead. Do that. Have fun. And then for, I think this is my second to last, I'm going to talk about starting your own business. Now, this one, I love this one because this is what I'm currently doing alongside my tutoring gig. This one, it's taking some time to, you know, to release itself, to get bigger, to, you know, to do something for me. But I've gotten 2 orders thus far. We're getting better, we're getting bigger, period. You know what I'm saying? But I started my own business through Shopify, and it's been a journey. It's been fun. Like, I enjoy it. Like, see, I feel like when you enjoy something, you don't mind putting in those extra hours. You don't mind taking the time out of your day to do this certain thing. And I started this business basically because I was broke, and it's because it's something I like to do. So basically, my business is it's aimed towards minorities. It's aimed towards African Americans. It's aimed because it's called civiloutcast.myshopify.com. We're about to get a domain, but let's grow first, okay? Let's grow first before we get a domain, which means I'm gonna take off my Shopify. It's just gonna be .com. But so Civil Outcast, basically, some people was like, because I was telling my friends like, damn, I don't know a name. Help me. And they're like, girl, why you picking Civil Outcast? That sounds weird as fuck. But no, listen to the story. I picked this name because it's like a civil outcast, like a Malcolm X type of thing. Like, oh, you know, we're like civil outcasts. Like, there's nothing wrong with us, but we're just civil outcasts. Like, our views are like, people don't agree with us on certain things. It could be like the Black Lives Matter movement. People don't agree with us on certain topics. So it just feels like we're civil outcasts. But it's also supposed to be uplifting. You know what I'm saying? So on my website, I'm selling shirts that have beautiful Black women on it. I'm selling African map, Egyptian goddess necklaces. I can get into that later, but let me talk about you guys starting your own business. So if you're passionate in, you know, saving the turtles, make a website for metal straws. You know what I'm saying? Make a website and sell turtle shirts that says save the turtles. You know what I'm saying? That says no plastic, less plastic. No straws, no plastic straws. You feel me? Like, do things you're passionate in, but that's also marketable. Because I can't make a website, oh, I love paper clips. Come buy my paper clips. Like, I think Walmart already does that. You feel me? So don't do anything that's like mad crazy. Don't do anything that's mad crazy and it's not marketable. Always do something that you know you have a huge audience, a huge following that will basically help you basically buy your products. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not just a mommy and daddy is gonna buy my stuff. This is I want the universe to see what I'm selling. I want the universe to see what I'm doing. You know, we're changing levels. We're stepping on necks. All 2019, all 2020, all 2021. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're building something here. We're building. Not this is not like DIYs no more. We're going somewhere is what I'm trying to say. So, oh my gosh, I almost had a heart attack. I thought this was not recording. Y'all, I would have never made another YouTube video again in my life. Oh my god! Okay, so, whoa there. Okay, so yeah. So basically, I would say start your own business. I use Shopify because it was easiest for me and for what I'm looking for. See, like, I didn't just say, oh, overnight, I'm gonna start my business. I looked into it. I looked at Wix. I looked at, Shopify. I looked at, I think the other one's called Big Cartel. There's so many platforms for you to start your business. It all depends on what you're selling, how much time you want to put into it, how much you already know, how you want to go about it, and then you start it. So I picked Shopify. I'm gonna get my domain soon. You will see Shopify stuff at the bottom. But that's all that you need to be seeing, Shopify. Like, it shouldn't be my website. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it needs to be more official. But thought of something. But so to each his own. To each his own. So basically, shop my website, link in description. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm not sure how many jobs I said I was gonna do. But I think that's it. Guys. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me show y'all this shirt, because y'all thinking, what the fuck? But let me show y'all, it's mad cute. Ooh. 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 She a stylist or whatever. She should have been at motherfucking runway shows, but no. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Whoa. Fix yourself, sweetie. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully I inspired y'all to start working on campus. I inspired you guys to get a job that's easy, because some people think, oh, I can't get a job, and my schedule's too hectic. Baby, you can get a job, study, and make straight A's. Let me just say that. So hopefully I inspired some of you college students, just like myself, to, get out there, try something new, make money on your own, you know what I'm saying? So, if you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what I did wrong, comment good things, bad things, some other videos you'd like to see. If you want to know my business more in depth, just let me know and I can tell you guys some more. Anything in depth, you feel me? So, just leave a comment, like, and subscribe, sis. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you later in my next video.